Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter at home. Making your own peanut butter is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. You'll need just a few basic ingredients, primarily 2 cups of roasted, unsalted peanuts. Roasting them beforehand truly enhances their natural flavor. Make sure your food processor is ready to go, as it's the only tool we'll be using for this delicious creation. Get ready to transform simple peanuts into a creamy, homemade spread in just minutes. Now let's get to the heart of the process, your food processor. Add the 2 cups of roasted peanuts and begin processing. At first, the peanuts will transform into a coarse, crumbly meal almost like sand. Don't be tempted to stop. Keep the machine running. After about 3 to 5 minutes, you'll notice the mixture starting to clump together, forming a thick, sticky ball. This is a crucial stage, so be patient and let the processor do its work. As you continue processing, something magical happens. The natural oils within the peanuts will begin to release, transforming that sticky ball into a smooth, shiny, and eventually, a pourable liquid. This usually takes another 3 to 5 minutes. If you prefer a thinner consistency, feel free to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or peanut oil, and process until fully incorporated. A pinch of salt or a teaspoon of honey can also be added for taste. Congratulations, you've just made your very own homemade peanut butter. Once it reaches your desired consistency, transfer it to a clean, airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. The texture might firm up slightly when chilled, but it will soften at room temperature. Now, the best part. Enjoy your delicious, fresh peanut butter on toast with apple slices or as a fantastic addition to your morning smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.